Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by moving immediately to the right biomes and outposts. This is where raiders spawn most often. Equip iron or better armor, a shield, bow, and food, so you survive quick skirmishes. Once done, scan ridgelines and village edges while listening for crossbow fire and villainous voices. Sound gives direction fast. Make sure to watch for banners and campfires near structures. Those often mark pillager outposts that lead you directly to raiders. Once you spot signs, trampled crops or smoke, move in carefully and use elevation to get a view. Hills give line of sight to patrols and outposts. If you prefer targeted raids, kill a pillager captain to gain bad omen, then head to the nearest village to force a raid. This guarantees raiders. Make sure to stalk quietly and use ranged attacks first to thin numbers, then close with shield up. This sequence reduces risk and lets you control engagements. You finish by clearing and securing the location. Light the ground and block likely spawn points so reinforcements don't overwhelm you. Once defeated, loot banners, emeralds, and any bad omen captains. Those items tell you found real raiders. If things go wrong and you lose track, climb to a high point or follow torches you place every 5 to 10 blocks to retrace steps. Make sure to recover supplies and heal before re-engaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.